Hi everyone, I'm Frida and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to share how I made this Cloisonné enamel picture. I started with doming this copper disc which I had pre-cut already. I like to dome the pieces to prevent warping. When I was done with that, I sifted the back with black counter enamel and I fired it off camera. I pickled it to remove the oxides from the front, and after that I sifted the clear fuse. I fired it with my torch until it became golden color. That means that the oxides dissolved in the clear fuse. The next step was to fold the cloisonné wires. My daughter Dorothea has an amazing YouTube channel called Lightbox Life. She makes amazing paper cut light boxes. For her next video, she is making a tiger in the jungle, and I wanted to make a tiger for a long time now, so I decided that I'm going to do the same. Check out her channel, her videos should be up soon, and I cannot wait to see what she came up with. I leave the link in the description. Here you can see me folding my wires following my design. I'm using pliers and tweezers and I secure them on a sticky tape until I'm ready to put them on the surface of my picture. I talked about losing our dog in one of my previous video, and we really had hard time with that, so we decided to get a puppy, and it's definitely helping the healing process, but it's not helping to get ready with this video. It took me so much time because he keeps all of us so busy. Let's get back to making this tiger picture. I made silver foil from scrap silver to cover the surface of the copper. I used my rolling mill for that. I texturized the surface with my hammer to give the final piece more shimmer. After I was happy with that, I grabbed my disc and I covered the front with it and I wrapped it around the edges. I fired it in my kiln off camera. I needed to sift another coat of clear fuse on the front. I fired it and now I'm ready to place the cloisonné wires on the surface. This time it was really hard because the silver was shimmering so much that I barely could see what I'm doing. I'm using my tweezer and I'm also using glue to secure them until the next firing. No matter how much I love cloisonné, it sometimes definitely makes me frustrated, like it happened this time, so I decided that I need a break, so I went out and grabbed a coffee and gathered myself looking at the view, which is beautiful, so I'm definitely grateful for that. Before I went out, I fired the piece off camera, so the wires got stuck in the melted base coat. The piece is ready for the first layer of colored enamel. Here I would like to say thanks to my patrons for the support. And guys, if you wanna support me, it would mean a world to me. I'm going to leave the link to my Patreon in the description. These enamels come in powdered form, so we add water to them to be able to transfer them in between these little cells. I use a paintbrush and a scraper. These colors are transparent except the black, and because it's not transparent, I like to mix it with another color. This time I mixed it with a dark brown and it makes it a little bit lighter and the contrasts softer. It just occurred to me that the opalescent white is not transparent either, but it's opalescent, so it mixes really nice with the transparent colors. Did you know that tigers hunt in water and they can swim really far? Also, they have unique stripes, they act like fingerprints. I didn't know that and I thought it was really cool. I'm almost done with the first layer of colors here, and after it's done, we have to wait until the enamel dries. Until it dries, let's take a puppy break. He just makes me so happy, I hope you guys don't mind me sharing him. When the enamel dried, I fired it in my kiln on 1400 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. When it cooled, I applied another layer of enamel. I usually apply 3 layers, sometimes 4. We need more than one layer because enamel shrinks in the kiln. I did the third layer off camera. The last step is the sanding. We make the surface smooth here using diamond pads and a lot of water. Enamel loses its shine during the sanding, so I fired it one last time off camera. I put it in this little frame I made and it was done. I hope you like it as much as I do. So guys, this is the end of this video, and if you like my work and my videos, please consider supporting me on Patreon. The link is going to be in the description. You can also show your support by subscribing to my channel, sharing and liking my videos, and also commenting on them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!